dead buck is laying right behind this truck. I just backed down here to get it. Drug it up that hill, made all that noise, and there's two damn deer just walked right up here like nothing's wrong. I'm on a damn hunting resort. There's freaking deer everywhere. I cannot believe this place. I'm sitting in the damn truck just now back down here. There they are. They still didn't run. They're standing right there. This is like some kind of a damn hunting resort. I just now backed my truck down in the damn woods to load up a deer I killed after I got it and drug it up a hill. I love this place. There they go. What the hell are they doing? What the hell are they doing? There's four. Now they run over at that damn gut pile where I killed that one. It's the craziest damn place I ever hunted in my life. Look right here. Down there. I killed it down the bottom of that holler. Drug it all the way up that hill. From down in there. Up this low old road. Right up here. And there the buck lays. There's my truck. I was sitting in the truck. It was parked up there top of that hill. I drug it up through here and back down this road to load my deer up. And they just come right up out of the woods there like there's nothing going on. And there's a buck laying there. He ain't no wall hanger, but he'll do. Pretty decent. Better than the other little scrubs I got. Be good eating anyway.